hopefully there will be some good weather for that event tomorrow for the Blazers. Dave?
It looks like it is. There will be a few spotty storms picking up there, but most areas will stay fairly dry, hot and drier out there for much of the weekend. Just look for a little better chance for rain Sunday. Greater chance for storms arrive next week as the more humid air comes back, more southerly winds. In the tropics, well, things are starting to heat up out there right now. The Gulf is quiet, but watching some of the long-range models, we'll show you that here in just a little bit as well, too. But right now from our BJCC camera, mainly clear downtown, 78 degrees out there. Dew point not bad in the upper 60s. Heat index not really an issue at 81. 77 Tuscaloosa down to Brent. 70 in Aniana, a cool spot with Lineville, Talladega. They're both coming in at 72. Same for you up in Jasper. And the radar is clear. The showers we had over the northwestern part of the state earlier this evening, they have now since dissipated and things are pretty quiet. Just a couple of clouds out there, but outside of that, still have that easterly flow coming down here from the Appalachians as it works its way in. It's helping to keep the humidity at a little bit lower levels out there, which I don't think anyone's complaining about. Traditionally, it's very hot and humid this time of year. Little disturbance back near Memphis is moving out, but next week we'll start seeing more of those southerly winds, making it warmer and more humid. So for tonight, still looking at upper 60s, lower 70s, about 71 Birmingham, Double Springs area, Aniana, Asheville area, about 68 degrees for your low tonight. And then tomorrow, if you're heading out to the farmers market at Pepper Place, looks not bad. 72 degrees at 7 a.m., warming to 83 by 11 a.m. with a few clouds popping up during the day. And you'll see on Futurecast that overnight, again, pretty quiet conditions, couple of clouds as you wake up tomorrow morning. But beginning late morning to lunchtime, we'll start seeing a few showers popping up. Notice hit or miss variety, most of you staying dry throughout the afternoon as well. You're lucky to get a little bit of some rain out there for your Saturday. But by Saturday evening, if you're going out to dinner, again, maybe one or two showers, things are tapering off as we get to about 11 o'clock. So we'll go with that 20% chance for rain Saturday, 30% chance for Sunday. Again, slightly better chance there, but temperatures stay in the upper 80s both days. Heat index still running about the upper 90s. What about the Riley Green concert at Coca-Cola Amphitheater? Well, it looks pretty good. 84 there by 7 o'clock. Phone is 76 by the time the concert is over. Now, the chance rain is going to increase Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, about 40 to 60% out there. And you'll see it's part of that onshore southerly flow starting to come back here, giving us that rain for Monday. Continues out there throughout Tuesday as well. Some of the rain could get a little heavy at times. You see some of the darker shades there for Tuesday and into Wednesday. We'll keep an eye out for that. Maybe some minor street flooding, but it's been fairly dry here for most of us lately that we can handle that. As for the tropics, watching one wave here coming off of Africa. It does have a 20% chance of development here as it gets on into the central Atlantic. Out ahead of it, Invest 96 moving out to sea. Don't have to worry about that one, but you can see watching for a potential another one here between August 13th and 19th out in the Atlantic. And where is that coming from? Look at all these tropical waves coming across Africa as they continue to march their way off to the west. Eventually, some of them could become some significant tropical systems. Definitely something to keep an eye on. Hey, looking at your 7-day forecast, though, nothing to worry about the tropics. Just look for that increased chance of rain by Tuesday. It looks like next weekend will be hot and stormy